Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss adverbs of time in Norwegian. Tidsadverb, tidsadverb, tidsadverb. Norwegian, like many languages, uses adverbs to modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Among these, the adverbs of time, tidsadverb, 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 provide crucial information about the timing of an action or event. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your Norwegian skills, understanding these adverbs can help you communicate more effectively. Let's dive into the fascinating world of tidsadverb, tidsadverb, tidsadverb in Norwegian. Basics. What is a tidsadverb? Tidsadverb, tidsadverb. Tidsadverb is an adverb of time. These words or phrases inform when, how often, and how long an action takes place. For example, in the sentence, Han jobber alltid på mandager. Han jobber alltid på mandager. Han jobber alltid på mandager. He always works on Mondays. Alltid, alltid, alltid. And på mandager, på mandager, på mandager are both adverbs of time. Common adverbs of time in Norwegian. Nå, now. Da, then, when. Snart, soon. Alltid, always. Aldri, never. Ofte, often. Sjelden, seldom. Noen ganger, sometimes. Vanligvis, usually. Position in a sentence. In Norwegian, the position of tidsadverb can vary based on what you want to emphasize. However, a common position for tidsadverb is after the main verb. For example, jeg jobber ofte. I work often. If you're using a verb phrase, a main verb plus a helping verb, then the tidsadverb usually comes between the two verbs. For example, han har alltid jobbet her. Han har alltid jobbet her. Han har alltid jobbet her. He has always worked here. In questions or when emphasizing the time, the adverb can be at the beginning of the sentence. For example, når kommer du? Når kommer du? Når kommer du? When are you coming? Nå kommer han. Nå kommer han. Nå kommer han. Now he is coming. Expressing duration. For expressing how long sometimes lasts, you can use the following. Hele dagen, hele dagen, hele dagen, all the day. Hele tiden, hele tiden, hele tiden, all the time. I 5 timer, i 5 timer, i 5 timer, for 5 hours. Past, present, and future. To denote when an action happened, you can use I går, i går, i går, yesterday. I dag, i dag, i dag, today. I morgen, i morgen, i morgen, tomorrow. Challenges with tidsadverb. While tidsadverb in Norwegian are relatively straightforward, there can be challenges. The context often determines the correct usage. For instance, the word da can mean then and when in a past context and in certain conditional sentences. For example, da jeg var ung, da jeg var ung, when I was young. Da spiste han opp maten. Da spiste han opp maten. Da spiste han opp maten. Then he ate up his food. Mastering tidsadverb, tidsadverb, tidsadverb in Norwegian is essential for conveying time and understanding the temporal context of conversations. Like any language, practice is the key. The more you engage with native speakers and authentic materials, the better you use these adverbs naturally and accurately. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one private classes, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no. nlsnorwegian.no